Hi guys and welcome. This one is going to be a bit different because I couldn't find the time to make an intro, so we're just jumping into this setup. Here I'm using my Tombow brush pen to write the title for January, and I wanted to make it look more like a newspaper headline, something like that. I'm using my golden marker to underline it, and that's it. Next will be my monthly log. Here I'm using that same brush pen to write a title, and I'm honestly so surprised. I didn't know that I could write this fancy. So this is one pretty title for this monthly log. And I'm using my ruler now and a fineliner to make my calendar layout because it works best for me. Here I decided to make separate squares for every single day, and it's a bit different from what I usually do because I really got tired of making a basic calendar for every single month. So this is just a revamp for this January, and it looks kinda good. Maybe it's a bit weird because I already have a lined notebook, but never mind, I'm going to keep it. And here I'm using my golden marker to make a nice top for every single square, so it will look a bit different and less plain. This is totally optional, you can go with a fineliner and it will be still good. But I wanted to add some color, and here I made a mistake next to my title, but I will fix it in a minute. When I'm done with those lines, I will try to fix that mistake with a bunch of dots, and it looks kind of good. Some sort of a confetti inspired spread, so this calendar saved, thank God. And here, when I got tired of making a ton of dots, I decided to go back with my fineliner and write every single date for this January. And I realized that I have one square extra at the beginning, and I will just use it as my December reminder. And here, next page will be my content plan, and the other page will be my brain dump because they work best for me and I will always keep them as long as they serve me well. And I'm just using that same brush pen and a fineliner to write a title, and this golden marker to add some lines on each side, and that's it. Next page will be my habit check, which I will use as a list, not a tracker, because I'm so bad at keeping track of stuff. And here I will just write some things that I want to remember or remind myself, or if I had any progress with my habits that I want to add, I will just write them down. And next page will be my first weekly spread. I don't really need much space for the first week of January, so I will use only one page for this case. And I'm using a brush pen to write the numbers and a golden marker to add some lines on each side of these numbers. And that's it. And that's it, guys. This is my finished January setup, and I'm so glad I made it this simple. It totally reminds me of my 2017 bullet journal. So if you like it too, comment down below, hit that like and subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys again next week. Bye.